Seeking efficient home defense tools without the use of conventional guns? Here, we will discuss 15 deadly home defense tools on Temu that do not use bullets. From efficient stun devices and tactical gear to new self-defense tools, these are made to protect you and your family. Whether you're looking for non-lethal defense or lightweight, affordable equipment, Temu has solutions to provide you with peace of mind. Let's explore these essential defense tools. Number 1. Taser 10. The Taser 10, with 10 reloadable darts, is a forceful self-defense tool, providing multiple opportunities to temporarily incapacitate an attacker. With an effective range of nearly 14 meters, users can keep attackers at bay while shooting effectively. When multiple darts hit their targets, the device automatically chooses the 4 best probes for maximum neuromuscular disruption. Redesigned probes also pierce heavy clothing and function at angles other than straight on. A non-firing warning system pulsating light and sound will discourage threats without discharging. Axon camera integration syncs up close video images of a face intruder, assisting police. Small and user-centered, the Taser 10 combines stopping power with situational awareness and consistency. Number 2. EK Revo 7 Crossbow. Don't sell short the EK Revo 7, a small crossbow that handles more like a tactical handgun than a classic bow. A tad over 22 inches long, it shoots up to 250 feet per second and isn't heavy or unwieldy. Its unique selling point is its speed of fire. With practice, the Revo 7 can fire 7 bolts in about 4 seconds due to a pivoting front lever that eases cocking. A Picatinny rail, full-sized, accepts optics, and a changeable limb system adjusts draw weight between 30 and 120 pounds. Dual-sided levers and an empty shot block provide an extra measure of safety, making the Revo 7 fast, versatile, and easy to use. Number 3. UMRX 4EHDX. Up next is the development of less lethal pump-action shotguns, the UMRX/T 4EHDX. With threatening appearance and a loud roar while charging, the HDX takes serious business in home defense and training applications. A full metal receiver, made of heavy-duty material, and a huge muzzle brake drive its weight over 3 kilograms, bringing stability and enhanced maneuverability. A top Picatinny rail of full length accommodates optics, whereas a 4-slot undermounted rail is ideal for attaching lights, lasers, or accessories. The HDX also has a tubular magazine with up to 16 projectiles, providing extended readiness and crowd control. It is designed to be long-lasting and modularly customizable, thus providing reliable, intimidating performance. Number 4. CO2 Noise Blast Mine. The CO2 Noise Blast Mine provides intense deterrence in a small package. The 40JW unit employs an 88-gram CO2 capsule to propel 16 rubber balls from its tube magazine, and an alternative version operates on 2 12-gram cartridges. An instant pierce system allows the unit to sit in standby for months. A glancing blow to the stock triggers the cartridges. Optical and tactile pressure indicators affirm readiness, reflecting up to 42 shots on full load. Quick reloadability, along with high-volume ammunition capacity, are combined for extended area denial. Defensive use only is intended, but legal compliance and safe operation are paramount and advised. Number 5. Pepper Balls. Pepper balls take crowd control technology into personal protection. Encapsulated irritant pellets break up on impact, releasing oleoresin capsicum and a CO2 report that temporarily disables targets. They provide a non-lethal means for keeping intruders at range without the use of firearms. Police and security units employ similar rounds for area denial and suspect control. Although, however, pepper balls have the potential to induce respiratory distress, eye damage, or excessive injury to children, the elderly, and the ill. Controls range widely. Always verify local ordinances, adhere to manufacturer instructions, and receive training prior to using irritant munitions. Used responsibly, they make an effective deterrent while prioritizing safety. Number 6. Ultranet Net Launcher. Ultranet is a shining Japanese net launcher that ensnares victims like something straight out of Spider-Man. With compressed CO2, it launches a square, web-shaped net at more than 50 feet per second. 4 rubber-padded corner weights propel the net over 30 feet to immobilize a suspect and subdue them without deadly force. Small and easy to use, the launcher contains a cartridge of some 20 CO2 shots and comes with small, medium, and large nets for various situations. Popular among some security groups and daring collectors, Ultranet provides a sensational, non-lethal restraint choice, but always check local law and take proper training and advice first. Number 7. Stinger Pen Pistol. The Stinger Pen Pistol is similar in appearance to a thick writing pen, but doubles as a small pistol, suitable for covert carry. It was created in the 1990s, made in limited production, then heavily discontinued before appearing as a novelty or collector's item. Chambered with calibers such as .22 LR, .22 Magnum, .25 ACP, .32 ACP, and .380 ACP, it must be unfolded into firing position and handled with care. Its diminutive size comes at the cost of ergonomics and stopping power, making it unsuitable as a primary defensive weapon. The Stinger is now of principal interest only to collectors, prop designers, and historians of peculiar clandestine-era gizmos and curio. Number 8. Grim Ripper. The Grim Ripper is rock-hard steel push dagger designed for brutal functionality. It combines a sharp primary edge with tactical serrations on a clip-point blade, putting everyday cutting capabilities together with a close fighting profile. It is a single-edge push-style design that avoids dagger classification in certain areas, yet provides focused forward power. The handle prioritizes ergonomics, with a thumb ledge preventing yaw in close-in fighting and enhancing control during everyday tasks. A molded Kydex sheath holds carry and facilitates fast deployment. Tough and accurate, the Grim Ripper is an option for users looking for a compact, dependable utility blade with stopping power. Number 9. Burn a 12 gauge. The Burn a 12 gauge kinetic provides shotgun owners with a less than lethal alternative that still packs serious, dependable stopping power. A .61 caliber finned projectile is saboted within a 2.5-inch shell, allowing it to chamber in almost any 12 gauge. Upon discharge, the clamshell sabot breaks away, and the finned rear spins the projectile for stability and accuracy at ranges greater than 100 feet. At approximately 312 feet square, the more massive round delivers about 20 joules of pressure, almost twice a standard .68 round, without being designed to penetrate lethally within 5 feet. Low report, below 115 decibel and reduced recoil make it a great training and home defense cartridge. Number 10. Streetwise Sting Ring. The Streetwise Sting Ring is a subtle self-defense weapon, combining concealment with potent stopping power. Palm-shaped for compact carry, it only leaves a low-profile striking surface exposed while containing sophisticated squeeze and stun electronics. 3 points of contact apply a strong electrical discharge sufficient to incapacitate muscle function and confuse an attacker in mere seconds. As a close-quarters defense instrument, the ring is ready without cumbersome hardware. Its small size fits into carry, but users must handle it responsibly. Be aware of local laws, engage in safe handling, and always opt for non-violent de-escalation where feasible. Powerful, compact, the Sting Ring is a trusty choice for discreet personal defense. Number 11. Nebo Batite 1500. The Nebo Batite 1500 is a robust tactical flashlight designed for law enforcement and security professionals. Its matte black anodized aircraft-grade aluminum housing withstands shocks and water, while a knurled, rubberized grip provides secure handling. Tailcap controls step down from a 150 lumen low mode to a blinding 1500 lumen high output, and a tactical strobe for disorienting assailants. Everyday carry size, the Batite serves as both an impromptu defensive device and rescue glass breaker. Durable and designed to be IPX6 rated, it provides a compact and trustworthy solution for lighting, defense, and rescue in high-stress environments. Fast battery changes and extended runtime have it ready now. Number 12. Sublethal Remote Weapon. The Sublethal Remote is a remotely mounted, camera-linked, non-lethal security system from the future. It allows operators to engage intruders from a protected position utilizing a high-power airgun firing. 68 caliber non-lethal rounds or pepper balls to disable without the use of lethal force. With up to 155 round magazine capacity and intelligent targeting through video feed, it delivers continuous area denial with minimal risk to bystanders. Remote arming protocols and alarm integration usually take around 20 seconds, allowing for quicker than average armed response. Optimized for business and high-security locations, the Sublethal Remote focuses on strong deterrence, remote monitoring, and proportionate escalation. Number 13. Saber Pepper Launcher. The Saber Pepper Launcher is a simple-to-operate .68 caliber personal defense system that provides effective standoff protection to 60 feet with projectile velocities of nearly 350 feet square. Accuracy-oriented, it has a rubberized grip and front-rear adjustable fiber optic sights for better control and target acquisition in poor light. The launcher is light with very little recoil and has a rear grip safety for preventing the accidental discharge. Perfect for home defense and training, the kit contains 7 pepper powder rounds, 7 inert practice rounds, a practice target, 2 12-gram CO, 2 cartridges, and a padded soft carry case available for responsible, non-lethal defense and reliable everyday readiness by users. Thanks for watching. That's it for our tour of 15 home defense products on Temu that don't fire bullets. Safety first, always. Be sure to check local laws, get proper training, and opt for non-lethal whenever you can.